Stop. This is not the end of your story. Take a deep breath and feel the silence. You've been fighting for so long, haven't you? Fighting the memories, the regrets, the person you used to be. It feels like a dead end, like the story is over and nothing is left to write. But listen carefully. In the kingdom of Allah, a dead end is just the place where miracles begin. Stop mourning the version of yourself that had to break, because sometimes you had to shatter so the light of Allah could finally enter. You were not losing. You were being prepared. Think about Hazrat Musa, Elias, Salam. A freezing night, endless darkness. He was traveling with his family, searching for a way. Lost. Then, in the distance, he saw fire. A small flame, flickering in the cold silence. He thought it was just warmth, just guidance, just a way forward. But that flame was not ordinary. That flame was destiny calling him. In that moment, when everything felt uncertain, Allah was about to change his life forever. He went searching for fire, and he found Allah. He went looking for direction, and he received divine command. Sometimes, Allah places you in darkness, not to abandon you, but to make sure you recognize the light when it appears. The fire you are facing right now, the struggle, the confusion, the pain, it is not there to destroy you. It is there to guide you to your own Torah, your moment of connection, your moment of transformation. He is Allah, and He is Al-Jabbar, the one who restores what is broken, the one who takes shattered hearts and turns them into sources of light. You think your mistakes have defined you. Allah says, I have forgiven you. You think your past has destroyed your future. Allah says, I am the creator of time. Stop forcing old keys into new doors. Allah has changed the locks because the blessings ahead require a stronger version of you. Listen, and let these words anchor your heart. What is coming is better for you than what has passed, better than every heartbreak, better than every loss, better than every unanswered prayer. This next chapter is not a repeat. It is written with mercy, filled with ease after hardship. It is the moment you finally understand why every no was actually protection. So stand up. Leave the dust of your past behind. The version of you that was afraid is no longer here. The version of you rising now is protected, guided, chosen. Say it from your heart. Ya Allah, I step into my next chapter with trust in you. When you have Allah, you have everything. When you trust Him, even the impossible begins to unfold. Listen, the past was a lesson. The present is a gift. The future is a miracle. Allah is with you. He always was. If your heart felt this, type, Ya Allah, I am ready. Let this moment be your turning point, and share this with someone who feels lost.